Hi everyone, welcome to Statistics through Microsoft Excel Series Part 1. Microsoft Excel is a simple yet powerful tool to perform a various range of tasks from simple data entry to powerful macros and complicated statistical analysis. In this video, let us see how to do a beginner level descriptive statistical analysis in Excel. In the coming videos, we'll see more information on how to perform various statistical tests through Excel. Stay tuned for the videos by hitting the bell button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To begin with, statistical analysis in Excel is done through Analysis Toolpack. To check if Analysis Toolpack is activated, just go to Data, and under Data, if you see that this Data Analysis tab is activated, then you have the toolpack activated. If not, go to File and then hit Options. In the Options section, select Add-ins. You can see that Analysis Toolpack is already activated here. But in your case, if it is not activated, go to Manage, and in the options you have, select Excel add-ins and then click OK. Click Go, and then activate the analysis tool pack here and then OK. As soon as you do that, you should be able to see that data analysis option under the data tab. Now, in this Excel sheet, I have a bunch of test scores for 28 students, and I would like to get descriptive statistics for these test scores. I'll select these scores first and then go to data and then hit data analysis. We see a lot of analysis tools in this option. In the coming videos, we'll discuss about many of these statistical analysis tools. But for now, as we are interested in descriptive statistics, I'm just selecting descriptive statistics and click OK. You can see that the input range is already selected here. In the output range, you have multiple options. You can either select the output range or you can have the output on a different worksheet or a different workbook. I would like to see the output range just beside the test scores. So I'm just hitting output range and I'm selecting this option. So I'm selecting this area for the output and then checking summary statistics. Once you're done, just hit OK. And as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see the summary of all the descriptive statistics. We have a mean, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, etc. That completes part 1 of this series. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to drop a like and please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.